Welcome Prowodies to my channel. Before going into the deep in this series, we will need one database application. And the database application which we are using is Xampp. This video tutorial is to give a guidance about how to install Xampp in your computer system. So before starting this video, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Now let us start. First, go to the browser. Simply go to any of your favorite browser, but I will mostly suggest go for Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Just search Xampp download and search for it. Okay, after this, click on the first link, which will take some of the time, and this here you will get this interface. This is Apache friend. This is using a Apache server which is having a PHP module in the database. And now this you probably download any of this you can download, but go for the latest one. Okay, now just download it from here. Now simply just this is download successful. Save the file. Actually I have downloaded this before only. Okay, so I will just cancel it and just go to your downloaded file where you have downloaded this file. Let me just go to the here is the file which is downloaded in my PC, and just gonna tap on the Xampp control. After installation, this will not take a lot of, just go and tap next and all. Now see, this is giving some of the error to me. I don't know why it is giving an error. Okay, let me see it first. Go here. I'm using actually Xampp from a long time, so there are some of the things which go quite wrong with Xampp, but after all it is good. Okay, now just launch the control panel and start the Apache and MySQL engine and introduce both the admins. As you will see that this is purely not a promotion of any of Xampp or this is just a database which we will need for our future applications to be developed, and this will be the interface after downloading and installing Xampp. Just that's it, Prowodies. In next video we will learn about how to develop a login page with verification. You can log in and log out, and in that video we'll link our application to this Xampp database. Okay, now thanks, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. Yo, Prowodies.